Hello friends, in this video today I will explain how to implement pagination in Entity Framework MVC. Correct? So I have already have one project MVC project, and in this project I have already created use here Entity Framework. So you can see that here 1000 records showing here, and in my table have 2 lakh plus record. So in customer point of view, client point of view, whenever we load all data at the one go, that times it decrease the performance of the application. For improvement, improve the performance of application and im- so we have to use here pagination. So let's start how to implement pagination along with entity framework and razor page. So I will explain you here, and this is my HTML page this side. Correct. In this HTML page, in controller side here have one method name is a index. There just now I'm take here 1000 record. So okay, so I will add here one flag more int page. Correct. Int page. Page is an available field by default. On page load it's come here 0. So and move to the, this is the company controller side showing look like, and move to the HTML page side. I will add here some pagination HTML. So I have already add here UL. So inside the UL we will add here one class pagination. It's like a bootstrap class pagination. Correct. So pagination is already defined class inside the bootstrap. So it's showing here UL class pagination. Inside the pagination, and we will add here one for loop. Add for loop while so displaying the record. Correct. Int and I is equal to 0. We cannot call like 0 1, and I less than is equal to total count, total page, या total page we can call like total page. So I will decide total page how many. So and then I will I plus plus, and after that, so they are showing here I will add here li for displaying the list. Correct. How many record showing, like according to that we are creating here list. Inside the li we will add here one class again, and class we will add here inside the class page item. Correct. Page item is a predefined class, and after that we will add here at the rate I is equal to current dot page, current dot oh sorry current dot page current page is equal to here showing active. Correct. And then this one like that. Okay. We are using here class page link. Correct. AHR means page link, and we will define here HRF. Correct. HRF HRF at the rate URL at that URL dot action index. So we are not using third party here, and we are creating ourselves custom things, not correct. Inside the new, will define page is equal to at the rate I. Okay, so total page, this part is completed in HTML side. So now we have to move. So current dot page we will take here. We can call like current page. Correct. So both are the property which are not showing error here. Why? Actually, we have to define both things in anyway. Like in controller side, I think this part we have to use only in HTML side. Whatever code I put there, and this is a pagination code HTML side. And so now move to the controller side. Correct. So like we will define here view bag dot total page, for example 3, and view bag dot whatever property we are using in HTML side. For example, current page. Controller showing here, page showing here. So page will define here current page, whatever value have. Okay, not an issue. So page we will just add here page, not an issue. Correct. Page, current page, and we will define here 1 second. Current page and page. Total page, current page. Property current page. Correct. So whatever value showing here inside the, let's see again, here showing current page. Correct. So it's a and we are written the data here. Just run this application. Let's see. So total page showing error here. So we have to use view bag dot total page. Okay, view bag dot total page. Sure. Okay, so run this value here again. Run this project. Sorry. So let's see. Okay, showing pagination look like correct, and comes here value 1, and when I click on 3, come value here 3. But and our design is not good, so we have to modify this design. Wait, let's see in code side. So we are using here ul next inside element table, correct. So pagination, so we have to correct this value pagination. Check again, run this application again. Let's see next time design. Okay, so just I hope you understand. Now its pagination is proper. Means UI design showing correct. So it's our choice showing this record in below side pagination and bottom or top. I am adding same pagination in top of the page, and depend on your requirement, and I am adding in top, but you can add in top and bottom. But question is that after adding paginations, why here showing 1000 record, correct? So this part is still is pending. So go to the controller, just and try to implement here. So now I am taking 1000 record, correct. So I will explain here. For that, first time page value come 1, correct. So that means that times page value is 1, but we have to set 10 record in one go, correct. That means we have to skip first time we have to skip take we can define here int skip value. First time showing 0, correct. So int skip value 0, and int int will define here int default page value, page default page value, for example 10, correct. So first time int page value is again skip value, skip value is equal to, so for that page value is this one, this value is equal to page value, and we have skip value means default value, mark here null level, so we have to add here implicit conversion int, correct, like that. So issue has been resolved like that. I hope you understand. So I have already created one video boxing and unboxing. You can check boxing and unboxing concept in C sharp, correct. So skip value, and in page in entity frame linked query we have one option to skip skip. So we will skip how many record. So when I click skip and take default page, always take 10 record. I will explain, wait sometime. So for that first time I load page, so that means when I load the page, and its value comes 0, page value 0. So whenever page value comes, or maybe I click on pagination 1, so that means both in case always page will calculate 1, correct. So page value is 1. So page value is 1, just I'm checking here is null, so we'll define here 1, otherwise page value whatever value comes, correct. So page value 1, so page value minus 1 and 1 minus 1 that means 0. 0 multiply default page value means 10. 0 multiply 10, so that means skip value 0 and take value 10. So whenever application load and click on pagination 1, so always return 10 record from our database. Understood? So next time I click on pagination 2. So when I click on page 2, so comes here page 2 and page 2 and page 2 minus 1, that means 2 minus 1, that means value 1 and default fetch value 10 to 10 multiply 1, so 10 record. So skip value 10, whatever value is we have already and checked on the pagination 1, so 10 record has been skipped and take next 10 page, correct. So I click just now for example 3 pagination, so 3 comes here, 3 minus 1, this logic, please check this logic, 3 minus 1 that means 2, 2 multiplied default value 10, so that means 20 record. So we have to skip in case 20 record and take next 10 record. So this is a logics pagination in entity frameworks and in link you. I hope you understand. So if any doubts, any query, you can ask me, and not an issue. Total page. So now question is that suppose that in our database have 100 records, correct? So it's in page I want to show 10 record default value. So how many count showing on UI? So in case showing only 10, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 10 into 10 into 100 records, correct? So in case we have to calculate total page. So total page we have to calculate like 2. Total page means total page. Okay. So we will calculate here int total record, correct. Total record dot count. In database how many record, correct. So we'll calculate the how many record. Total record will define here int first. Total record we have defined total record. Now suppose that total record, okay, understood. So total record and uh, will define like total page. So total page means total record divide by default value, correct. This record total record, this one, correct. So after total record and we are using here if else to condition things and total record less than is equal to default page value. So in case view back dot total page showing here 1 always, correct. So in case our total record maximum compared to the default page value, like default page value is 10 maybe 20, so total record 22 25. So in case we have to uh, adjust thing page number we calculate, right. So we are calculating here math dot ceiling method we are using here and calculate the total record divided by default page, correct. Whatever value we receive and set into the here and all data showing there on UI. So let's start. In our database, in this table company table have 1,92,000 record plus 92,000 record plus, correct. So let's see, and whenever I execute 1,92 records, so how many pages are showing there, correct. So wait. So we'll check here total record showing 1,92,330 and default page 10. So just uh, check this one how many page value showing there, 19231, correct. Just execute. Data still is loading on UI. So you can see that here 1 2 3 4 5 6 10 like that pagination showing. correct? So we have to scroll like that, 190 to 1. So you understand why it's showing look like. So I explained already these things. Correct, data is too much in our database and we are displaying 10 records, so that's why it's showing like that. Correct. So this is a logics behind to the pagination in entity framework, how to implement, and this logics basically used to for display the record on UI and implement the pagination. Mainly thing take or escape in entity framework, and we have on the how many record I want to take, how many record I want to escape. So this is a logic. I hope you understand and what I'm trying to say here, and the pagination showing look like. Okay, so thank you so much watching this video. If you think this video useful for you, please subscribe channel, like this video.